friends, welcome to Hooksy. Today we are making this beautiful and viral bun and stick. Let's get started. First we need yarn, hook, scissor, stick and bangle. Now cover the bangle with slip stitch. Use olive green color or any color which you need. Make slip stitch all around the bangle. Now our bangle is fully covered, as you can see. Now we make leaf. For leaf, make one slip stitch and half DC, then 1 DC, then a triple DC, chain 2 and make a slip stitch on the upper side like this. Again make a triple DC, then a DC, half DC and a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end. If you like the tutorial, so please do like, share and subscribe to Hooksy. Now we make petals for our stick. For the first round petal, we make 6 slip stitch in the magic ring. As you can see, our first round is completing the round 2. Make 12 slip stitch. Make 2 slip stitch in every stitch. Now we make 4 petals with same pattern. For the second round, we make another petals. Make 8 slip stitch in the magic ring. Our first round is complete. In the second round, we make 16 slip stitches. Make 2 stitches in every stitch. Now our round 2 is complete. For the round 3, make 1 slip stitch, chain 1 and make a slip stitch like this. Now make 1, 2, 3 and again make chain 1 and slip stitch. Make slip stitch, another slip stitch and again make a slip stitch. Make 1 more and chain 1 and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and slip stitch. Again make 1, 2, chain 1 and make a slip stitch. Make 1 slip stitch, another 1 slip stitch and again slip stitch here like this and cut the extra yarn like this. Make 2 more petals with the same pattern. Now we make third round petals. For third round petals, we make chain 10 in the magic ring first. Now we make chain 20 for this second round. Now at this point we make slip stitch, chain 1 and make a slip stitch. Again make 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, chain 1 and slip stitch. Make 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, chain 1 and slip stitch. Now make slip stitch 1, 2 and make a chain 1 and slip stitch. Make 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1 and slip stitch. Again make slip stitch 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and a slip stitch. Again make 1 slip stitch, another slip stitch, and cut the extra yarn. We make total 4 petals with the same pattern. At this point we have total 11 petals. Now attach it with glue like this. Now make leaf. For leaf make 20 DC first in the magic ring. If you like the tutorial, so please do like, share and subscribe to Hooksy. And send your feedback in the comment section. Now at this point make chain 7. Then make a slip stitch, half DC, then make double DC, then make triple DC, two more triple DC here like this. Skip the 3 stitches and make a slip stitch. Make 6 petals with the same pattern as you can see. Now attach it with the help of glue.
Our beautiful bun and stick is ready as you can see.